Joydeco makes fantastic blackout curtains. I've used them in the past. I love how well they black out the light and how easily washable they are. So I was thrilled when they offered to send me this set. Now this is the linen style blackout curtains. It's a double layer and I went with the pinch pleat in oat milk color, but there is quite a variety. And in this video, I am going to unpackage this, show you exactly how it comes right out of packaging, and then install it. Let's go. Now, as I said, I got the pinch pleat, but you can also get this exact same fantastic curtain with the rings or the version that will just slide over the rod itself. And I love that these are fully washable and that they are Oeko-Tex Standard 100. That is definitely a step up in certification for curtains. And I fully expect these to be a little wrinkly out of packaging, which they are. You can see those wrinkles throughout. So I can see how long those take to just fall out on their own, or I can give this a quick steam and that'll take those out no problem. I am smelling a bit of a plasticky smell. I think it's this backside here. It has this white backside, so this is gonna be facing out of your home. And then the oat milk linen interior. I'm really loving that oat milk linen style there. It has all the little flecks. It looks really wonderful and natural. And this whole curtain feels very smooth and like it will drop really nicely. And it comes as a set of two, and I went with the 40-inch by 84-inch length. You can definitely choose what works best for your window. And along the top, you can see those pinch pleats. Really nice, clean pleating. So this will face into your room. And then on the back side here, this is where you'll hook on the attached hardware to hook on whatever you're using, the rings you're using for your upper curtain rod. Now these ring clips are just a simple plastic clip, but that's all you actually need. And I actually do like that these are plastic, as they won't make any metal clanging noises against a metal ring, which is what I'm using. And to install these, you really do just simply take this longer portion of it and hook it up into the back side of this pleat. And then this small hook is where you'll hook your ring that hooks to your curtain rod. So to put this in, it is a little hard at this angle for me, but I'm just gonna slide it under this pleat here and then just pull up, and now it's ready to go. So I'll put those on all of these pleats and install these curtains. And one extra thing that I completely missed is that this hook that you have in the back is fully adjustable. You can just push it down to where you want, and that will pull the curtain up or have it be lower. So you have a little more adjustment with this piece. It just pushes down, but you can just start back at the top, and wherever you hook it is where it'll be. Now here are the curtains we currently have in the bedroom. As you can see, they're not blackout at all. And we do have an air conditioner here. And we mostly just leave these open and give up. And I have to tell you that these slats do nothing. And lately the moon has just been shining straight into the room. So I'm really excited to put these blackout curtains up. And I'm just gonna hook them to the same loops that are already up here. Let's go. Now here they are up. They are absolutely blocking out all the light, and I love the contrast. One thing I noted off the bat is that I probably should have gone with wider curtains, as the ones that were up were actually twice the width of these. So I have both up right now. It does extend the entire distance of the window, but one thing you always want with curtains is you kind of want them to be bunched up. So if I had gotten these in double width, they would have kept the pleats and looked just like this when they were spread out. And they look really good. I love the flow. They're lovely all around. And compared to the other curtains, they do a remarkable job blocking out the light, adding a really nice contrast to the room color, and they're just beautiful overall. I love the pleating along the top. The quality is good. I love that I can actually wash these. These came with the house, and I don't think I could ever wash these. I think these are dry clean only if I was lucky. So really, really nice all around. If you're looking for great blackout curtains, Joydeco has you covered.